Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Estefani and I make videos about health, emotional, financial, and many different kind of health to keep you beautiful, healthy, happy, and much more. So if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe, and check out my videos either every week, monthly. I don't regularly post, but I am trying to get better. So please like, comment, and let me know what you would like for me to post. So today I am so excited to meet with you guys because I just received my birthday gift and I am so happy, excited, and I am going to unbox it with you guys. So without further ado, let me get my scissors and let me show you what my birthday gift was. I got the Vitamix, the E320. I am so hyped about this blender. I can't even begin to tell you. So a few days ago, I shared with everyone that I am committing to losing 20 pounds. I want to lose 20 pounds. And a lot of getting physically fit is your eating habits. And for me, I know my body so well. And I know that eating is a huge part of me losing those 20 pounds. So I decided to ask for my Vitamix for my birthday and I got it and I'm so excited and I'm gonna unbox it now. And I want you to be there with me. I'm gonna tell you where I got it from. I am not getting any kind of credit or this is not a promotional anything, but just me, Estefani, share it with you guys, her birthday gift and unboxing it with you. Thank you so much for being here with me. All right, perfect. So this is the Vitamix. Oof, I can't even talk English. So this is the Vitamix E320. This model is one of the most affordable ones for Vitamix brand. And I am so happy. My boyfriend got it for me from Costco. So supposed to be like a deal price, but still is a very high price kitchen item and I am very, very happy. So I'm supposed to get in this box. It comes with the base, the well, let me just read it off the package. So the motor base and then the personal cup adapter and the 2 travel cups and then 1 book with recipes and 1 tamper. So let's check it out. Let's just dive into it and see what's in here. And one thing about these blenders, they are very great quality. My friend has one for almost a decade and she said to me when I asked her about suggestions, she said this will be the last blender you're going to buy. So I trust her judgment and her opinion and I am excited about the last blender I'm going to buy. So everything looks so nicely organized here. Look at this box. It is a very big box. It's huge. So this is the tamper. So this is great. A lot of the reviews that I read online, people were always very excited about this part of this blender because when you making like smoothies with a lot of veggies and thick ones, it tends to get stuck. So I guess this has a really good use because it helps you blend your smoothies very, very good. And if you are big about texture like myself, you're gonna want everything blending to perfection. All right, so okay, so there is that tamper. Here I have one of the lids for the travel cups. So this is one of the lids for the travel cup. It feels like a very good quality plastic. So it's just, I don't know if you guys can see it well, but this is how it looks. And these are the books. So I have a book here that's first blends. So I'm assuming that this is just the recipe book, or not assuming, it is the recipe book So I will be opening this and checking it out. I'll probably make a whole video about my favorite recipes, but for now, just showing you what comes in the box. So the recipe book, we have a welcome to the family. So Vitamix rewards. It's perfect place to discover how easy it is to make healthy, delicious meals. So you can sign up for rewards. So you have that there. And you have, I guess, instruction, getting started guide. Okay, another getting started. First glance and then getting started. So I'm assuming these are just like instructions or a book of care for your blender. So those three I have in there. And let's keep going. So this is another lid for the personal travel cups. Ooh, okay, and this is the personal travel cup. It is a very thick plastic. It feels really good. And it is a very decent size. It's not like super small. I thought it was gonna be smaller. I could look here and tell you how many ounces if it tells me. So the travel cup, it doesn't say, but I think it's like 30, 20, 30. I'm not sure. I'll find out. But this is the travel cup, and I really like it. It feels like it's a really good quality. This is the other travel cup. And here we have the adapter. So apparently this blender, this collection does not have the option to just screw it into the base of the blender. So you have to use the adapter to blend into the travel cup. So this is what you do. You screw it into this base and then you put it on the blender and you make a smoothie. And I guess you flip it and you open it, and you just have to go and put your lid and carry your smoothie in the mornings like I'm planning to do, because I'm losing 20 pounds and I'm juicing. I promised my boyfriend I'm gonna lose weight with the Vitamix, so I have to keep my promise. All right, so the next thing that we have here, ooh, this is so nicely organized. All right. Oops. Okay, so here it is. This is the cup. The actual. Ooh, this is nice. It's nice. I like it. So this is, it's plastic. I'm not so crazy about the plastic. But it does look like a nice quality plastic. So hopefully it's not really gonna stain. That's my only concern, that if the base starts like staining the plastic and just like the wear and tear that might cause. So, but I'm excited. It looks so nice. All right, I think I might have to put the box down so that I can finish taking everything out. Even though I think there's only one more piece in this box. All right. Oopsie. I'm so excited. And of course, I'm gonna make a smoothie right away today. And as much as I like you guys, I am not gonna invite you to my kitchen to make this smoothie, because it's gonna be like my very first smoothie. And I wanna keep this private. I want to keep this moment private. This is a lot of work. Okay, so let's see. Oh, Jesus Christ. Woo. That wasn't so hard, people, but the handles on the side to carry it were pushed in, so it was blocking this part of the box. but it's finally out. And yes. So this is that, people. This is my blender that I'm so excited about. I am so happy about this blender. Oh my God, it looks nice. I like the design. I know that they have other ones that are supposed to be like high tech and stuff. And I can tell you that I am not, I'm okay with this. I like it a lot, how it looks and everything. You can cook, you can make soups here too, so. I'm so hyped. Oh. Okay, there's a part here that looks like, I don't know if that's supposed to look like that. This look like it has like a little plastic there, like glue. Okay, I took it off. Alright. So it has a part down here where you can just put the cord, and then you have buttons here. This I love. I like digital stuff, but I'm still a little bit old school. So for me, these buttons, I like the buttons. I like the buttons on and off. And honestly, I'm confused about the option to make soup, but I will figure it out. So this is my blender right here. This is the cup for the blender, and remember the base. This is the base. Let me show you how it looks. So here, and I should be doing this from the kitchen, but it's Friday, I'm tired and I don't want to be in the kitchen, so I am unboxing this in my bedroom slash office slash warehouse. So it's okay, it's all right, people, it's okay, not a big deal. I know you like me, you care for me, so okay. So there it is, and then just put it there and you blend your smoothie to go, and then you flip it and oops, you so screw it, get your smoothie to go. I like it, and it looks very easy to clean. It looks very simple to clean, so I love that. And then also, like I said before, people are very excited about this tamper. It does not touch the blades, which is great, because I know I am the one that's like sticking a spoon there, and I had my scares. Where I'm thinking like I'm kind of far, but this is it, people. Thank you so much for unboxing this with me and watching the whole video. And thank you to my boyfriend for getting me this gift. He's amazing, he's the best. And I'm so happy, and thank you, baby, for getting me a nice blender so that I can lose my 20 pounds. Now, on a serious note, people, I am gonna start juicing the next 3 days. I'm gonna be juicing probably with just 1 meal a day, and then strictly juicing. I'm gonna share some of my recipes and any workouts that I incorporate. Right now, I don't have a routine of working out, but definitely working out helps in losing weight faster, and also just keeping your energy, because when you're changing your eating habits, when you change your nutrition, your body feels it. So you also need to be working out and implementing a good routine. Balance is always a secret. But remember, I am not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist. You really need to talk to your physician before you do any changes to your routine, before you start taking anything, before you start eating differently. Whatever you plan to do, I'm happy that you're doing it, but you first need to check with a professional, preferably your doctor. So that's it for today. I am gonna post this video. I am tired, it's Friday, I don't look my best. I'm doing this from my bedroom, But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And until next time, I will give you a follow-up video about my blender and how it's working out and how much we are in love and all the smoothies and memories that we are making and building together. Thank you.